Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon. My name is Budi bin Syaripuddin. I'm from Politeknik Metro Betong, Sarawak. Today I'm going to present you my paper, Optimizing Digital Skills and Evidence from Virtual Student Exchange Program in Politeknik Metro Betong, Sarawak. Timeline of contents. Number 1, Introduction. Number 2, Literature Review. Number 3, Research Methodology. Number 4, Finding and Analysis. Number 5, Limitation and Recommendation and Conclusion. Introduction. The global impact of COVID-19 has caused widespread disruption across various industries. Education field is no different as it has transitioned entirely to online mode in numerous countries worldwide and emerged as the most effective solution for ensuring the continuity of education. Problem statement. Companies were forced to adapting and realigning their hiring strategies in light of the recent world health issue. Besides, as career evolves, so does the digital skills required for the job. This is crucial to bridging the gap of an individual. Therefore, training programs must provide contextualized, integrated education so that learners may understand how the digital skills they are gaining will be used in the real world. Looking at the digital skills to be important skill set for the fresh graduates, it is important to researchers to assist in lifting these challenges off the shoulder of future graduates to increase their marketability in line with the needs of the current job market. Research objective to analyze the impact of digitalization towards career readiness. Research question. What is the impact of digitalization towards career readiness? This is the theoretical framework for this paper, and then this is the research hypothesis for this paper. There is an impact of digitalization towards career readiness. Literature review. Digitalization. In educational settings, digitalization has changing on how students obtain knowledge and how educational institutions deliver teaching and learning that they must strengthen their competencies to remain relevant and competitive in the digital age. Educational institutions are anticipated to maximize the usage of digitalization and technology advancement in order to provide instructional supports to educators and students, strengthening their active participation and involvement in the learning session. Integrating technology into the teaching and learning process significantly enhances students' skill development. Career readiness. After school program help students to explore their interests and strengthen relevant competencies by participating in a variety of activities and experiences. As the adoption of digitalization and technological advancement becoming more important and the nature of work changing over time, 50% of workforce requires reskilling program by the year 2025 in order to stay relevant. This scenario highlights the importance to strengthen the 21st century skill and online learning process so that in line with the changing career dynamics, demographic shifts, and technological advancements from the workplace environment perspective. Career readiness and digitalization. Previous research on student career readiness highlighted the importance of common traditional skills such as communication, teamwork, and critical thinking, while acknowledged the importance of technological proficiency, digital literacy, and the ability to adapt in digital environment. By exploring the connection between career readiness and digitalization, educators, policymakers, and stakeholders can devise innovative strategies to empower students in the digital era. Research methodology. For research design, mixed method research, questionnaires in Malay and English, open-ended questions. For sample size, 5 students, that is, participants of virtual semiotivate student exchange program, and then for sampling technique, personally administered structure questionnaire, open-ended questions, and for data analysis, descriptive analysis of respondents, and also qualitative research approach. Research scope. Respondents criteria. Respondents for this research actually comes from participants of virtual Simeo TVET student exchange program. They are students from Guimaras State University from Philippines and then bachelor degree in hospitality management. So the questionnaire distributed through Google Form. Findings and analysis. This is the demographics analysis of the respondents. Descriptive analysis of respondents, Google Sites. From this table, we can conclude that Google Sites promoted communication and collaboration between students and lecturers as it allowed them to interact and share knowledge while promoting interactive learning materials and content, including notes and quizzes. For career readiness, from the table also, we can conclude that this makes the aforementioned finding compelling as Lestari and Santoso 2019 reported that all education institutions must be in proactive mode in preparing students not only for academic success but also technological readiness for future job market. We move to qualitative research approach. Theme 1, soft skill. This is all the answer from the respondent from open-ended questions. So, the above was aligned by the finding by previous researchers where ARIA 2024 mentioned that proficiency in digital skills significantly improve efficiency, broaden knowledge, and facilitates effective communication. Theme 2, Knowledge. The above was aligned with finding by previous researchers where Sheikh and Nico Herafmaher 2022 have explained that the shift towards digital technology facilitates learning experience. It has positively impacted both educators and learners and improved the quality of education. Theme 3, Experience. The above was aligned with finding by previous researchers where using digital device in classroom setting can make things easier and more interesting, and it has influenced students, educator, the learning experience and its outcomes. Theme 4, Network Connectivity. The above was aligned with finding by previous researchers where Mostenu emphasized that educational institutions should have access to reliable internet connection to ensure that everyone can effectively learn, understand, and utilize learning management system tools to enhance their teaching and learning experiences. Theme 5, Social Skill. The above was aligned with finding by previous researchers where digitalization process has a substantial impact on students' attention, engagement, motivation, communication abilities, teamwork, and overall learning behavior. Limitations and recommendations. Limitation. The findings is generalized within the Philippine context, digitalization in the higher education sector in particular, but not on a global scale. Therefore, the study is susceptible to selection bias due to its limited representation. For recommendation, although the study results are positive and relevant to the field, future research could explore the specific factors discussed in the qualitative analysis that contribute to digital skills gaps and strategies to address them. Conclusion. This paper has examined the evidence of digital skills among university students. The results reveal that this study has achieved its objective and answered the research questions, hypotheses supported or otherwise were elaborated by the researcher. Education institutions today are called to produce skills students that are able to meet current market demand, and digitalization complement this skill set as it enhances soft skill, knowledge, experience, and social skills of the student. However, A serious call for managing network problem should be the priority of the education institution, otherwise it will be a call for digital divide. Thank you.